Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a block of walnut and I'm gonna make some shape as a wave. Be with me until the end of the video and see how it is coming my idea. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Some problem we have here now. We had a big crack on the wood and now it's going to separate. Look how it's coming. It is until the end. Even here it is moving, as you can see in the video. Two options we have, or I'm filling with the glue. I think I can fill with the glue. It is better because I was thinking I'm cutting from here, but it's coming very much small. I think glue is better. I will put the glue and after half an hour I will continue the carving. For filling this crack I'm using PU wood. Fast curing it is, and when it's going to dry some foam is coming outside and it can fill all the cracks. I will show you how it is. It is not advertising because I'm not getting the money from that company, but mostly I'm using that glue. It's helping very much because of the foam which is coming outside later. So it is better, it's going to separate now. I can put better the glue. So I think it should be enough. Let's see how it is going inside. Look how the foam is coming outside. And then when sanding is going, you cannot see later. But it is good glue because it's going everywhere. is going. Look, everywhere is coming out, and it is very much strong glue. So we are waiting half an hour. After that, I am continuing the carving. Until it's going to dry, I am going to drink a coffee in my handmade mug. If you didn't see the video, I will put the link in the description, and you can see how I made this wooden mug from Walnut. Cheers. Okay, it's going to dry, and look how foam is coming out, and it's filling everywhere. I could also put the resin epoxy, but it's take the long time. Minimum I need 1 day is going to dry, but I think it is okay. Just I hope at the end the line will not be visible. So now we are continuing for the carving, and after that we are going for the sanding. Let's see how it will become. So finally sanding is going to finish, and as you saw here I burned also. It's going to sound like old style or vintage. Now we are going for the putting the oil. For the oil I am using hardtop oil Burma Wax. It is German brand and it is food safe. two color I have, but for this one I'm using the dark one as a like walnut color, because I think dark is going more nice in this wooden. Let's see. Finally it's going to finish, and here it is the result. As you can see here which part we burned, and it's coming as a wave shape. I think mostly for the decoration we can use it, or putting some flower on it. Please write in the comment below if you have it, for what you are using. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you for the next video.